Good afternoon, NAGDA members. My name is Matt Peterson. I'm the Executive Director of NAGDA, and we created this short video to help you understand how to log into and use our data portal. The data portal allows you to compare your plan to your peers, and it's one of the major benefits of participating in the Public Retirement Research Lab. To get started, head to nagda.org and scroll down on our homepage to the Data Center section. On the right, you'll see a button that says Data Portal. Click that, you'll be taken to a login page. It's important to note that the data portal is run by a third party, so your login for the data portal will be different than your login for the NAGDA website. Once your data is loaded into the portal, you will receive a prompt through email to create a new login. Also important to note is that no participant level data, none at all, is loaded into the portal. Only plan level data is available and plan level insights. Once you receive your login information and create a password, enter it there. If you forget your password, hit reset password. If not, head to the homepage by logging in. There are 4 tabs I want to cover to help you understand all the tools available to you once your data is loaded into the portal. The first is static reports. For those of you who previously participated in our benchmarking survey, this is the same portal, so you may be familiar with it. The static reports section includes our industry report, which in the future will be our Public Retirement Research Lab Public Plans DC report. You can download that here. You'll also have your plan performance report. This is a U versus universe static assessment that you can download here. Finally, there will be some other static reports broken out by different type. All of these can be downloaded here. The second tab is performance graphs. Performance graphs you may recognize from the executive summary of our industry report. These are industry level insights such as how many plans use automatic enrollment, auto escalation, and other features. We will maintain these graphs as we move to the Public Retirement Research Lab and should have more data to share. If you want to export this to a PDF or to Excel, click either of these buttons. The third tab is our interactive PPR or plan for performance report. Here you can select different peer groups you want to compare yourself to, such as 457 plans that are supplemental. You can select up to 5 peer groups to compare to and toggle this if you want to show your own firm or not. Once you hit build the report, the system will produce a report that compares your firm to the industry and to the different variables that you selected above. 457 plans or supplemental DC plans. This will have plan characteristic information and also has financial information. If you want to export this to Excel, click the button right below, Build Report. The final tab is Searchable Results. What this allows you to do is to create your own peer group based on several different characteristics, such as single employer plans that are supplemental, of 15 to 50,000 participants that are 457s. Here you can see how many different plans that submitted data you've constrained to. Please note that if you constrain below 5 plans, you'll receive a no significant data message. This prevents any plan from looking at any other plan's data specifically and constraining down to one single plan. Once you've selected your different variables, click Build Report. And instead of seeing each category individually, they're all combined. So your peer group would be single employer, 457, supplemental plans, with 15,000 to 50,000 participants. And it shows your plan versus this group. Again, you see plan characteristic information, financial data, investment data, and everything else that's loaded into the portal. If you want to export that to Excel, you click here. These are the 4 different tabs that are available to you currently if you participated in our benchmarking survey, but will be available to you in the future with more and better data as part of the Public Retirement Research Lab. We hope this is helpful. As always, if you have questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.